The 5 ranked product is Hamilton Beach Glass Electric Tea Kettle. Water boiler and heater. 1 liter. 1500 watts for fast. BPA free. Cordless serving. Auto shutoff and boil dry protection. Soft blue LED. 40,930. Review score 4.6. Review count 21,904 ratings. Price $24.99. Customers like the electric water boiler for its heat up, value for money, and functionality. They mention it heats up their water quickly and keeps it warm. Some appreciate the beautiful blue lights that stay on until the water boils. Overall, customers are satisfied with the product's appearance. Customers dislike. No info. The 4 ranked product is Kettles Electric Kettle. No plastic contact with water. 1.7 L1500W. Stainless steel inner lid and filter. Tea kettle for coffee and tea. Hot water kettle, teapot, boiler and heater. Automatic shutoff. Black. Review score 4.6. Review count 41,633 ratings. Price $27.99. Customers like the heat up, appearance, and ease of use of the electric water boiler. They mention it heats water fast, boils quickly, and produces water hot enough that they don't have trouble getting instant coffee. Some appreciate the value for money and kettle quality. Customers dislike. However, some customers have mixed opinions on functionality, durability, and auto shut off. The 3 ranked product is Amazon Basics Electric Kettle. Tea kettle for hot water, coffee and tea, with auto shut off, boil dry protection, Strix thermostat, BPA free, 1.8 quarts, 1.7 L, 1500W. Glass and steel, black and silver. Review score 4.6. Review count 77,434 ratings. Price $26.99. Customers like the electric water boiler for its quick heat up, value for money, and ease of use. They mention it cuts the boiling time by half, functions well, and is easy to fill and use. Customers are also satisfied with its size, looks, and ease of cleaning. Customers dislike. However, some customers differ on the quality. The 2 ranked product is Kettles Electric Gooseneck Kettle with 5 temperature control presets. Pour over kettle for coffee and tea. Hot water boiler. 100% stainless steel inner lid and bottom. 1200 with 0.8 L. Review score 4.7. Review count 17,698 ratings. Price $69.99. Customers like the heat control, appearance, and functionality of the electric water boiler. They mention it's spot on, brings water to the selected temperature quickly and quietly. Some appreciate the intuitive controls and quality. Customers dislike. No info. The 1 ranked product is Kettles Speed Boil Electric Tea Kettle. 1.7 L Hot Water Kettle. BPA free. 1500W auto shut off and boil dry protection. LED indicator inner lid and bottom. Transparent. Review score 4.7. Review count 19,401 ratings. Price $53.99. Customers like the electric water boiler for its appearance, functionality, and quality. They mention it heats water quickly, looks good, and works well. Some appreciate the simplicity of use and ease of cleaning. Customers dislike. No info.